Welcome back to the channel and welcome to, an unboxing video. In today's video, we are going to unbox and open up a storage locker. Today's video is a little bit different. Today's video, I'm going to be opening up a storage locker that I bought at an online auction. So I've never done this before. I was always a huge fan of the show Storage Wars. I didn't even know they did anything like this. Of course, it's 2021, so everything's online, just like eBay, but for storage lockers. So here we are, and this is my unit right over here. So that's pretty awesome. We're going to open it up and have a look inside and see what treasures we find. All right, we've got the storage locker opened up, and now we have 3 days to get rid of all of this abandoned goods. So let's get started. All right, so we're kind of gonna have a little look inside here and see how deep. Oh, did not know there was a freezer in here. Okay, we've got bags of stuff. That's all piled high. It looks like it's full. Oh, we've got lots of stuff in here. Huh, a little suction cup mount there for a phone. Might be able to use that on this video. More kind of speakers and stuff. Some fishing rods that I did not know were there. Tools. Oh, these are kind of neat. Some Home Depot jars. I think there's anything in these cabinets. Oh boy, there's boxes in there. Oh man, this person was a fisherman. I honestly had no idea there'd be any type of fishing stuff in here. Looks like a broken radio. All right, some keyboards or something under here. Old rocking chair up there. Oh my. Never noticed that before. Subwoofer. So I think my plan of attack with this one is going to be, I'm going to grab all of the small stuff, I'm going to put it in the car, and then I'm going to come back to the trailer to get all of the big stuff. So let's get started with the small stuff.
Two hours later.
All right, so we're on trip number 3. We've made 2 trips already, so let's see how much we have left. Alrighty, so this is what's left to get out of the storage locker. We've got a freezer. That I did not know was in here. And then this thing here is actually not a dresser. I thought it was a dresser. It's an old radio, so that's super cool. So we're gonna try and get the rest of this stuff out. I think 2 more loads. Put your comments below how many more loads you think it is. I think probably 2. This is what's going in. Not sure what the guesses were below, but definitely took 2 loads from the last time you saw the locker. So we're on our last load, hopefully. This is going to be it, but we will still have to see. I think we can get it all in though. All right, here we go, back to work. So this is what's left. Some garage shelving, which I hope I don't have to take apart. I should have brought something to take that apart. And then some more shelving here. Definitely should have come prepared with tools. And then I could have taken this apart. Alright, let's see what we can get in here. Alright, did you guys place your bets down below? Because this shelf here, I don't think you're allowed to do this, but it's actually bolted to this piece. So I need to go and get some tools so that I can unbolt this shelf to get it off. So that's the last piece. And this shelf here, I think I can get on, but I might not even bother since I'm coming back to the other one anyway now. So there we go.
20 minutes later.
Alright, it's all empty. Now I have to sort it all.